కూర్చో.
బాగా వేసేవరా.
What's up guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. And actually I'm not really happy now because we have a small problem. My Tiger's tire got punctured somehow, and the worst thing is none of us are carrying a puncture kit. Actually Sujan is having a puncture kit, but he doesn't have the hand pump. What is the use of carrying a puncture kit if you don't have an air pump? So now me and Kishore I guess will go and get the puncture done on the bike. I hope it's somewhere near on this highway. By the way guys, today we are going to Lavasa. From here it's gonna be somewhere around 2 hours 30 minutes for just 60 kilometers. I think that is because of the guards. Anyway, Selo, let's get the puncture done. I'll also have some breakfast. This buffoon, he did not get the air pump.
group lo betta. I'm not getting it. I'm not. Group lo betta chudu. Pune group lo. But this is how this guy acts. As if he reads only one message and says every message is.
अरे एक एयर पंप रे कार में डालना था, उतना बड़ा गाड़ी है.
He's very upset because of his bike.
इसको क्या?
Upset नहीं. I'm saying puncture getting के तो करा. अरे whole दो changes को नहीं. उधर दमा. Me and Kishore are going to get the puncture done. It's somewhere around 1 kilometer from here, so not a big problem. Puncture shop, huh? Unnada avadana. Hey, koi. Thank God there is a puncture shop just like 200 meters from the place we are staying. I hope this guy gets it done. That's a huge one. Woo! Look at this size. Whoa. First puncture.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Done. 2 minutes का काम. Getting really late and I forgot my jacket. Alright guys, we are on the way to Lavasa. It's gonna take 2 hours 15 minutes as per Google, 97 kilometers. What, 40 kilometers an hour average? That's like really slow, man. Like there are so many twists. Last night when we saw on the maps, there were like so many twists, so I think that is what is making the ride slow. So from Lonavala you go straight on this highway NH48, and actually I think you should go via Pune if I'm not wrong, or maybe there's a bypass. I'm just following the map. Chalo guys, ETA 1:28 PM. Let's rock it. मैं full tank कर रहा हूँ. 850. दिखने में तो this looks like we are going to Lavasa because of the guard roads. चलो, इतना confusion क्यों है? I put the map. I think it's going in the right direction. Tiger alle route la undra idanta. Left నుంచి కొట్టు మంచిగా భయపడకుండా. అరే you want to ride this? You want to ride this?
నడుస్తాను కదా.
వద్దులే పర్లేదు, నువ్వు ఇది నడుపుతా అంటే వస్తా. Okay, let's switch bikes. I'll be riding the Truxton for some time. 29 kilometers more, 43 minutes. Let's see what's the Truxton's got. Brakes are crazy. Oh man. Yeah, superb brakes. Oh! Ray! Torque is like superb. Hey, triple. Nice pictures. Guys, I just met the most beautiful subscriber today. And it's a she. A girl subscriber for the first time. That's my wife. Just kidding. Anyway, she's also my subscriber.
Of course I am. One of your first few subscribers.
Yeah.
Got hot.
Oh?
Wait to. वो speed breaker आ गया पूरा कार पे सर पे लगा
I was riding the Thruxton till now. Oh, speed breaker pe I was also like 10 feet in the air.
Yeah, we got hurt yo.
Actually, the problem is the roads are really nice. They're very super smooth. Being tempted to do, high speeds, which is not recommended. Suddenly they're like this huge speed breakers, long ones, and they're like literally launching you into the air.
Hello.
Energy. Hello.
Energy. After that speed breaker, I have no energy. My head is gone, dude. Let's take a picture. Huh?
Selfie. He doesn't know that I was capturing his dance. After riding the Thruxton, these brakes feel like there are no brakes. And look at the map. If you people can see it, look at this. It's like snakes all around. Whoa. 3, 2, 1, switch. Minutes to Lavasa city from here. We just stopped here to have some lunch. Time is 1:40 p.m. How was your drive? We had like amazing fun on the bikes.
It was
This
good.
is a biker's paradise.
It was good fun except that speed breaker and Shraddha and I hurt her head.
Actually, this is something similar to Srisalam. I mean, you get a similar view, but it's not this huge. Srisalam is a smaller version of this.
That's what I told him.
See, this is the good part about having a car. You can throw all your stuff inside. Or else, you should have some pannier system on your bike. You can just put and lock everything. So I'll just remove everything and let's go have some lunch. I'm sure you'll have a great view from there, right? Imagine your room is this. Early morning, get up and come here. Sit here, sip some coffee, see that view.
Turn it around 360. జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి ఇట్లానే దిగాలి
You think I can go from here?
ఇట్లా కూడా పనికి వస్తాయని నరేష్ భాయ్ పాండాలో రోల్ అవుతాం
ఒక Okay, so Lavasa already started, I guess, but once you go down, you get Lavasa city. Time is already 3:40. Especially with this waterfront in the front of this buildings, it looks like Europe. Oh man, I'm in love with this. The main thing is this city looks abandoned. I don't know why. Maybe no one stays here. Just check this view out, man. It looks so international. Seriously guys, in case you are in short of money and you want to see Europe, you have to come to Lavasa. Actually Europe looks like this. I've been to Macau and all these places, the Portuguese influenced places, and they exactly look like this. Not only the architecture behind me, even the waterfront and all that. Just check this out.